Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing a makeup tutorial for beginners. Makeup can seem overwhelming if you're new to it. But don't worry, we'll go through step by step and make it easy for you to understand. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep your skin. The first step is to prep your skin. This means cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and moisturizing it to make sure your skin is smooth and hydrated. This will make your makeup look better and last longer. Don't forget to apply sunscreen if you're going out in the sun. Step 2. Apply primer. Next, apply primer. This will help your makeup stay in place and prevent it from creasing or smudging. Apply a small amount of primer to your face and blend it in with your fingers. Step 3. Concealer. Now it's time to apply concealer. This will help cover any blemishes, dark circles, or redness on your face. Apply a small amount of concealer under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Blend it in with a beauty sponge or your fingers. Step 4. Foundation. After concealer, it's time to apply foundation. This will even out your skin tone and give you a flawless base. Apply a small amount of foundation to your face and blend it in with a brush or beauty sponge. Make sure to blend it in well around your jawline and hairline. Step 5. Setting powder. To make sure your makeup stays in place all day, apply setting powder. This will prevent your makeup from creasing or smudging. Apply a small amount of setting powder to your face and blend it in with a brush. Step 6. Bronzer. Now it's time to add some color to your face with bronzer. Apply bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, your temples, and your jawline to contour your face. Make sure to blend it in well for a natural look. Step 7. Blush. To add some color to your cheeks, apply blush. Smile and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it in well for a natural look. Step 8. Eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, start with a neutral shade and apply it to your eyelids. Then, apply a slightly darker shade to your crease to add depth to your eyes. Blend it in well with a brush. Step 9. Eyeliner. For eyeliner, start with a pencil liner and apply it as close to your lash line as possible. Then, use a small brush to blend it in for a softer look. Step 10. Mascara. To finish off your eyes, apply mascara to your lashes. Start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the wand